Good afternoon, guys. So whoa, huge difference. Yeah, so welcome back to my channel, guys, and I hope you are enjoying the audio. I hope it's coming really nice and crisp, because I have kind of sorted out the audio issues that I had with the earlier mic. So oh my god. So yes, I had given my bike for service, and it had become really bad. So the roads are really empty right now. It's like almost like a mini lockdown. But what to do? I use this bike on a daily basis, so I need to keep it in the best of conditions. It had become really bad. What used to happen is there used to be clutch slippage. Now there can be two things why that can happen, because one is because your clutch plates have worn out. That is not an option with me, because I don't ride that rash that my clutch plates can be worn out. Second would be the clutch lever play, so that was a problem. So what he has done is done the full basic maintenance of the bike. Firstly, the air filter replaced, oil replaced, again Motul 7100 fully synthetic, because that is what I trust, and it's been a winning formula for me, so I don't want to experiment or don't want to change. If it's working good, keep it that way. Third would be the oil filter is changed. Fourth, coming back to the peripherals, that means the clutch. Change the clutch cable completely. It has made a huge difference. The clutch was so hard. Now it has become light as a feather. It's like almost having like a slipper clutch, so it's kind of like that. And the brakes, check the front brake, rear brake was fine, though I don't use it much, but front brake also is fine. Yes, what had to be done is the accelerator. The accelerator had got so jammed because of basically less riding. I used to ride the Access a lot more so than the FZ25, and once the battery had given out, so I used to not use the bike, so the accelerator had got jammed. So not only has he serviced this part, he has actually changed the cables as well. Now that makes a huge difference, because the way the bike pulls now is like the accelerator is like super feather, like, you know. So that is really some good stuff. So chain slack is also a major concern for me, because the chain was really loose. I am at fault because I had not lubed my chain because of, I had ignored it. So yes, my bad. But nothing is wrong. The chain is not damaged. It's come back. It's like really good. And the slack has been adjusted. So once the slack is adjusted, you will not lose power, because if at all your chain is loose, then you tend to lose a lot of power on hard acceleration or even while cruising. So right now it's pretty good, and the bike is feeling really nice. What I've also told him to do is, what you all should do is, in case you're facing shoulder pain while riding your bike, or at turns you are facing a little of stiffness, the cone set needs to be adjusted. Now it's almost around 46,500 kilometers done on the bike, and I haven't changed my cone set till date. But today what I told him to do is, I told him to adjust, because what I was facing is not shoulder pain, it was facing stiffness while cornering. So when I was taking a corner, the bike feels really stiff, so you have really stiff feedback. Oh god, what is this? Now the steering has become really light, so it is like super duper light, and I'm feeling like this is a different bike altogether. So that is something really nice. So yes, this was my service at around 46,000 kilometers, 46 and a half. I have to still check, but it's around that much. And the bike is still cool. It's really nice. It will be almost 4 years now that I own this bike, and it has never disappointed me, even in tough times when the bike was really kind of not cared for, I may say. The bike did not give up. It still used to be awesome to ride, though that fun factor had gone, but now the fun factor is back, and it's rocking. So to all you FZ25 guys out there, or any bike out there, when your bike touches around 30,000 or roughly around 40,000 kilometers, things that need to be changed are a lot of things, like the cone set. Just check of that. Not necessarily change, you can inspect it and adjust it. So your clutch levers, your brakes, most importantly engine oil at every service. So that is very essential. So yes, this is like a short review of my service which I have done today. And yes, to all my subscribers out there, to all my family out there, take care, be safe, wear your mask. It's getting really scary out there, and though my rides and all have stopped, I will be making another video on the 1000 soon. I want to make a comparo video with the 2019 Ninja 1000 and the 2020 Ninja 1000, what all changes have been done. So that's going to be a really interesting video. And yes, take care, wear your mask, stay safe, protect yourself, because that's the only thing that you can do in this scary situation of COVID. And do comment on any queries that you have in regards to this service, in case I've missed anything. I don't think I've missed anything, because it's a very basic thing that I've done. So please do drop in your comments in the comment section below, and I will respond to them. So do take care and stay safe. That's a Ninja 650 out there.